Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a secondary axis in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data that has different scales, like comparing sales numbers with average prices. Without a secondary axis, one of your data sets might not show up properly on the chart, so let's fix that. First, you'll need to go to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Workspace dashboard where all your files are stored. From the dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to use the secondary axis. This will open up your Google Sheet with all your data and charts ready to work with. For this example, I have data for months, monthly sales, and average price. I also have a chart here, and you can see that the average price didn't show on the graph. This is a common issue when your data sets have very different value ranges. The sales numbers might be in the thousands while the average price is just a small number, so it gets lost in the visualization. To fix this, click on the chart itself. You'll notice 3 dots appear in the upper right corner of that chart. Click those 3 dots to open up a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Edit Chart. This opens up the chart editor where you can make all kinds of adjustments to how your data is displayed. The chart editor will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see 2 main tabs at the top. Click on Customize to go to the Customize tab. This is where you can fine-tune the appearance and structure of your chart. Once you're in the Customize tab, click on Series. This section controls how each data series in your chart is displayed. Now you can see a drop-down menu. By default, it's set to apply to all series, which means any changes you make will affect everything in the chart. Click on this drop-down menu and select Average Price instead. This allows you to make changes that only affect the average price data series. Then you can see an option labeled Axis, and under it there's another drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Right Axis. This is the key step that creates your secondary axis. By assigning the average price to the right axis, you're telling Google Sheets to use a different scale for that data series. Now you're using the secondary axis, and the average price is now showing on your chart. You'll notice that there are now 2 y-axes, one on the left for your monthly sales and one on the right for your average price. This makes your chart much more readable and allows you to visualize both data sets effectively, even when they have completely different value ranges. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.